In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorite channels on Superbox. So this is what Superbox look like. And in order to actually get them, you need to head over to their site, which is superbox.com, or actually specific to your actual region. On my case, it's superbox.ph. From in there, click onto the shop option, and you should be able to get right here some of their items like their Superbox X7 Max, or depending on what you actually need. Once you get them and you want to actually add favorite channel, having your support group from Reddit for actual super box. So to add a favorite channel, you just need to go to the live channels and go OK from them. Then select the channel that you want to add and hold the OK button on your actual remote. So until a star icon appears. So this indicates the channel has been added to your favorites. So in summary, just hold the OK button on the specific channel that you want to favorite. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.